on 4th of July, Nanaimo bar. Desserts ever known on the planet. Okay, so I've got my pan lined with parchment paper. Oh yes, there's my maple leaf kind of candle, scented candle. That was a gift. That's so nice for today. Anyways, on the inside of the Nanaimo bar mix packet, you get 3 little pouches. I'm not sure which one's which. They don't really tell you. I just have this telling me best before date on one, and that feels like the little chocolate mix. This must be the main mix, or maybe the filling. Anyways, I guess I have to open them up to find what each one is. See you in the next clip. Okay, so just what I thought. The little bag has the yummy, yummy topping chips, which you melt. Okay, so I got that figured out. That goes on last on the bottom. This, for obvious reasons, that's the middle layer. That'll make that yummy, yummy, yummy middle. That is just so delish. And in the other package, this is the bottom mix. I can smell that wonderful fragrance of sweet coconut. So I'm going to stir this up accordingly to the non-cook directions. And when it's ready, I'm going to put it in the pan, and then I'll show you where I'm at. Oh, this is going to be so good. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so I transferred it from the pan, and I've put it into my parched paper presentation, and I was finding that spreading it around was a little bit tricky, so I just went ahead and used a conventional potato masher thing, and that seemed to work really, really well. Now, according to the directions, all I need to do is pop it in the fridge and wait for it to thoroughly cool. I'll be back next step. So I've just mixed the filling for the middle section, and it's so good. I cheated. I don't know if you can see there, but I pre-tasted a little lick off the blender. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy. Okay. Next part's going in the middle, or on the next layer. Be back soon. There it is. It's all iced up, and according to the directions, it goes back into the fridge until completely cool. Oh my goodness, it is so good. I can't wait. I licked the bowl. I cheated. I know this is going to taste so good. Ding! And after 30 minutes of the middle filling setting in the fridge, I made up the topping, and as the French say, voila! Look at that, isn't it beautiful? So it's going back into the fridge to set. I can't remember for how long, but when I'll take it out, my husband will be home.